Hi, I'm Chris from Easy Clean Pressure Systems. Often we get questions asked about how to antifreeze machines properly. If you were storing them for long-term use, I generally use a plumber's or an RV antifreeze because it has anti-corrosion properties in it, and it's good for anti-corrosion and keeps things lubricated for longevity. For short-term use, we generally use -40 windshield washer fluid, and today I'm going to set one up and show you how to hook that up and put it through. What I do, we have a pail that is all plumbed and ready to go, but generally you can get a washer hose and just any pail. Takes about, I put 2 gallons of windshield washer fluid in the pail, and you can just put a hose in. The pump will pull vacuum to suck the antifreeze in. As I was spraying, I let off of the trigger gun just a few times periodically to make sure all of the proper fluid is going through all of your bypass hoses and then any other locations down through the coil. As soon as I seen it start to foam up at the end of the wand, I'm satisfied that I have antifreeze through the entire system. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions, give us a call, 1-800-315-5533.